my channel. So in my today's video, I am going to be creating this look right here. Now this look was actually inspired by Vidya Balan last year. This was around the time when I was actually planning to go to India for my brother-in-law's wedding, and when I saw this sari, I immediately wanted it. I asked my mom, please, I don't know, hunt, do whatever you can to get this sari, and I got it. Pretty much the same like green, purple, and I am in like love with this sari. And of course I wanted to recreate the look. I wanted to wear the similar jewelry because it looks so good on her, and that's what I tried to do. And I actually tried to recreate a similar look, and this is how it looked like last year, and beautiful. It turned out so well. So if you want to know how I recreated this celebrity inspired makeup look and slash outfit, then please keep on watching. And also, before you actually move on to the video, if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you don't miss my future updates. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get rolling. I've already moisturized my face, and the first thing that I did on my face after moisturizing was use the Wonder Glow Charlotte Tilbury. It was a day look, so I was wearing this during the day and I really wanted to look like bright and shiny, and it was early in the morning. So first things, I took this one and I put that on my face, and I used pretty much around the T-zone, and this was around May, so it was pretty hot. So actually I was very surprised that I did not turn oily. So I'm going to just let that set on my face, and then I'm going to move on to my concealer. And for my concealer, I'd use the Tarte Shape Tape and the Derma color. So I am going to put that underneath my eyes. You see that? How instantly it covered up my under eye circles. Until that sets in, we are going to go ahead with the eye makeup. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking this shade Golden Ochre, and I'm going to put that on my entire lid. So pretty much the two palettes that I used in this was the Morphe palette and this Anastasia, the Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm going to kind of be switching in between these two. Next, I'm going to be taking this Silk Cream shade. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on my lid as well. Next shade I'm going to take is, because I want a little bit more like warmth around my lid, I'm going to be taking this Burnt Orange shade. I'm going to again put that over here. Clearly you can see like that's my most used, these are my most used shades. So just to kind of create that warmth, I'm going to go above my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking this Relgar shade right here, and I'm going to be putting that a little bit below my crease. I'm actually going to be dipping my brush in these two shades very lightly, and I'm going to go over on the outer corner and then blend it in. Just blending this out a little bit more. And then what I'm going to do is just take my brush and then dip it into this Venetian red color, because it's a little bit more like on the darker pink kind of side. So I'm going to put that, just that one, and stamp it in the outer corner to intensify my outer corner. And then I'm just going to take my brush and then kind of just blend everything above over here. If I am not wrong, I think I used this shade right here for my lid space. Next, what I'm going to do is go ahead and take the same shade that is Venetian red. It is such a gorgeous shade, and I want to go ahead and intensify my outer corner and just blend everything in. The blending and all I'm going to take care later. For next step that I'm going to do is, since I've already applied my Wonder Glow, I've let it set in. I'm going to go ahead and take my Hourglass stick foundation, and that's what I used. I used this and a combination of Huda Beauty, because it was like hot. I had to use something that would stay all day long and that wouldn't move. I did not take too much because I know that the Huda Beauty is very thick. So I'm gonna put that and just blend it into my face. That way it's not extremely matte, and at the same time it kind of is a little bit, you know, glowy and gives me that inner glow. And you see that beautiful glow? That's what the difference it makes, because that's where I applied all that Wonder Glow. Next, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. Look at how instantly it just brightened up my eyes. Next, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier powder, conceal my under eyes. Next, I'm going to be taking the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand, and I'm going to go ahead and put very little bit of that, just a little bit, okay? So I'm going to be putting that over here, and a little bit over here. and I'm going to push that into my hairline. Next I used is the Sweet Cheeks palette. For that I'm going to be taking this shade right here, like very light shade, just on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm going to go ahead and take the Venetian red shade and the red ochre shade and mix those two shades and put that underneath my lower lash line. Next I'm going to take the NYX matte liquid liner, and that's what I used for my liner as well. I'm going to take the Hollywood Flawless filter and I'm going to over here just a couple dots, not too much, so it gives a beautiful finish. Of course I'm not going to stop with that. Like, my face looks like it's airbrushed. Can you see that, how airbrushed it looks? Then next I'm going to be taking the Color Bar Golden Glam eyeliner pencil and I'm going to put that in my lower lash line. And then next I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in dark brown and I am going to be filling in my lashes. So for my lashes, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and the Benefit They Are Real Mascara, and I'm going to mix these both and I'm going to use them on my lashes because they are beautiful. You guys are already aware as to my favorite highlighter and I had to use this. There's no way I could have gone to India without this one. So I used the PAC highlighter in 02. First of all, look at that Charlotte Tilbury, and on top of that, this one is like Sony Pe Suhaga. Literally. So for my lips, I use this ColourPop shade More Better. Now a trivia, this was the first ever like ColourPop lipstick that I ever bought, and this is pretty much how the look turned out. What I'm going to do is change my sari and then I'm going to show you how everything looks in an Indian outfit, and I'll be right back. At last I'm going to take the makeup finisher by PAC and I'm going to put that all over my face. One thing that I do want to add is I did take a black kohl pencil as well and added it to my lower lash line. I'm going to show you how my look was. So this is how my look was. The only difference is that of course I tied my hair because I can't do that shit right now because that was done by a professional, and honestly I'm so bad at hair. But this is how my makeup looked, and I hope you guys liked how this look turned out. You could probably of course go ahead and add those lashes, which I would have probably done, but I was like so out of time because, you know, we were like go and absolutely had no time for lashes and all that stuff. This was the only thing that I could do. Lashes at that time would probably take me another like 30 minutes and then I would probably be missing the wedding. So this is how I did my makeup. Very easy, you guys, extremely simple makeup, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification button and also follow me on my Instagram because I will be posting look like a full outfit, how I looked and how I kind of dressed up. Literally wore the same outfit like 2 days back, except I removed this jewelry and wore something really delicate. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I will see you in my next video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, mwah. Bye.